Yo boys, welcome back to day 6 of Road to Payout. We started this series off with a fresh top sub account, and last week we won every single day. We've passed the account, and today is a new week, new opportunities and new lessons. So yo, without further ado, let's get into the fucking video, you know? Yo, so look boys, the first trade you're about to watch is from London session this morning. I traded live and I'm trading live for free every single morning. Join my Discord, it will be in the description. As you can see, we're passing accounts in this bitch. And every single morning, 8 a.m. UK time, come down here, click this button, boom. You will literally watch me take the trade I'm about to show you. So even though I've not properly risked, boys, when I hit my 1 to 2, I'm actually going to be out. Boom. There it is, boys. Take profit smashed. There we go. There's a W straight in the morning. 1 to 2. There we go. Top step as well. Boom. There it is, boys. Take profit smashed. There we go. There's a W straight in the morning. 1 to 2. There we go. Top step as well. Hit 1 to 2. 1500 on top step. Apex 1 to 2. And yeah, boom. I'm done, boys. I am done. Beautiful morning. Beat up to 146 here. Lovely W there, boys. Right, yo, boys. Market opens in 20 seconds. I am anticipating shorts, meaning sells. But if we don't have that, then we'll go for the buys. We'll see. We'll react rather than predict.
Order filled.
Right, I'm short, boys.
Like we're short.
Order filled.
Fucking
Order
bot.
filled.
Order
Shit,
filled.
shit,
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Shit.
I'm gonna target these lows here. Let's
I just
hopefully not
fucking-
get stomped out.
I ended up pressing buy when I was meant to press sell. Fucking hell. What a numpty, bro.
All right, 1 to 1 just hit.
That was crazy.
Wow, it hit 50 points like that, baby. Like that. I'm fucking nasty.
Right, here we are, boys. We're shorting.
Nasty. I'm fucking nasty.
There we go. There we go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Take profit hit there, boys. $420. Fucking short. So there it is, boys. That is the Monday the 9th trade. As you can see, very quick, very quick trade. If we go on to the monthly stats, as you can see, it was a 29-second trade up there. Boom. And we're green so far this month, so we're all good. Across all the accounts, we're very green. We're maybe making around $2.5 a day every time we're winning. Thursday I did fuck up, even though it was a W, I under risked. But yeah, we've got 100% win rate so far this year. All time, 85% win rate on the day, and then 66.7 on the trades overall. But yeah, very good shit. So I look forward to it, boys. Hopefully we can take a payout. If not this week, next week, and we'll call this series a completed successful series. I will be live again on London session tomorrow. So if you want to join me there, join the Discord. I am full part in Apex accounts until the 20th or the 19th of this month. And then I'll be trading London with all my funded accounts the same way I trade New York. As you can see here, this is my New York portfolio. But in groups, I'll be making a London session separate from all my New Yorks. And we'll be taking multiple payouts a month. As long as that's the plan anyway. So, peace, boys. See you tomorrow. Fucking blessed. And lock the fuck in. Yeah, as you can see,
Super simple.
AJ's up 10 bags, nearly 11.
Wow,
Yeah, mental.
DG, you made absolute dough.
Come on, G. Now, boys, if you do want to join, link is in the description. Bruv, I've learned a lot of shit from my man. This is why I'm plugging him. Ah, bro, I fucking forgot to connect one of them. Bastard. Dickhead, bro. As if. All by a click, I missed out on $500 on that shit.